Kitchen Magic presents real customers, real stories, real magic. There are many steps to remodeling your kitchen, and at Kitchen Magic, we're experienced with all of them. Once you've chosen Kitchen Magic for your kitchen remodel, we begin the process of turning your kitchen dreams into reality.
We've had ideas and thoughts to redo our kitchen for a number of years. With 3 kids in the house, we're always busy and there's always something going on.
Kids make things messy. So once they left, it was time for us.
Yeah. What I told Dina was, let's invite them out and at least hear Kitchen Magic out, hear about their processes, hear about how they would do things, and then let's just kind of go from there. And when sales came out here, it was a non-rushed, easy, and really fun process to kind of envision our brand new kitchen.
One thing we really liked was that everything was going to be done through them. The cabinets were going to be done through Kitchen Magic, and the countertop, and the plumbing, and the backsplash. We weren't calling 5 different places for them to come in and try and schedule that process. So it was nice, it was all encompassing.
We really felt the sales process was easy with Kitchen Magic. The first time the sales rep came out, it was really conversational more than anything else. We weren't rushed. We weren't forced to pick a color. Our salesperson showed us our options. We talked about colors. We talked about door styles. We went through the options of the countertops. It was all fun, and we really had a great time envisioning all of the options that were made available to us. One of the things we have discovered about our kitchen was the cabinets themselves were in fantastic shape. They just had been worn over the years. And with thousands of fingerprints and thousands of opening and closings and door slams, they just became worn. If you have really great bones, if you will, cabinets already in place, there is no reason not to consider refacing. I love having people around, sitting around the countertop, being able to talk and communicate and laugh.
I like to cook. I like to be in the kitchen. So having, space like this, and it's just so pretty that it just makes me want to be in here more and cooking more.
Yeah, it's really a refreshing look to the kitchen. And when you come downstairs in the morning, it's man, this looks really great, or I'm really happy with our choices.
Every day I find something different. It's brighter than it was, it's cleaner than it was, and something catches your eye every time.
I would 100% recommend Kitchen Magic to anybody looking to redo their kitchen, whether it's refacing or putting in brand new cabinets or whatever it is. Could not have been more pleased with the company as a whole. Completely recommend.
Thinking of remodeling your kitchen? Let the magic begin. Let Kitchen Magic turn your kitchen dreams into reality.